get drunk.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Samaj the Dime, man. You already know how I'm coming at y'all, man. This time we doing some football highlights. This video was requested to me by one of the subs, Woody West. So shout out to Woody West. And I go to UNCG, and this player we about to react to right now, this is Tarik Cohen. I don't know if I'm saying his name right. Hopefully I am. But he go to A&T, which is right down the street. I haven't been to none of their football games, but one of my homeboys play for them, Deontay Jones. Shout out to my boy Deontay Jones, man. He doing his thing over there on the football field. But this video is about this running back. They call him the human joystick. So let's see. Okay. He really made something out of nothing. Bucket. Oh my gosh. That was a good spin move. Smart. Getting the bucket. Wow. Wow.
He's in the end zone. Touchdown. North Carolina A&T. Tarik Cohen. You don't believe Tarik Cohen?
He made something out of nothing right there. Get off me. That man said, get off me. I'm trying to get this bucket. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Bro. Ain't no way he should have got out of that. Ain't no way he should have got out of that. Look at this. You better stop trying to arm tackle. Get off me. I'm trying to get a bucket. That's what he's saying to them. That's what he's saying right now. I'm trying to get a bucket. Get out my way. Oh, dang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get off me. I'm trying to get a bucket. Wow. Something out of nothing. That's crazy. That's crazy. Get off me. Get off me. I'm trying to get a bucket. Get off me. What's wrong with you? This dude nice. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Tarik Cohen down inside the 35-yard line. Picks up 45 on that play. And if my math is later, right, that puts him over.
Look at this stutter step.
This is running with the purpose.
Going through everybody. Easy bucket. Easy bucket. Dang, he smacked the hell out of him. He smacked fire out that man's head. Gone. Gone. Dang, that was some good blocking.
Protect the 7-point lead. Cohen in motion. Cohen gonna throw
Okay.
back to Romero. He's got
Hey.
touchdown, North Carolina A&T. The reason why that football has been brought back there. There's that inside
Oh, dang.
draw. This is Tarik
Something out of
Cohen
nothing.
bouncing out
Get
of
off
there.
me.
Cohen
Going to the
with
bucket.
burst over the 40-yard line. Might have been a touchdown-saving tackle from one of the best in the nation.
This dude nice, bro. He can make something out of nothing real quick.
And he'll motion out. Bernard will find
Get away.
Cohen. Look at a move over the midfield stripe. Well, he put a terrific move on.
This dude fighting for every yard. Woo. Oh my gosh. Ankles, dude.
That's a first down. And Cohen breaks out of the secondary. Cohen will score.
Bucket.
Nobody will
Easy
catch it.
bucket.
That is the home run hitter we talk about, 62 yards.
That man went through there untouched. That's good blocking.
Scout team, maybe. But he's not running their offense. This is
Oh my
Tarik
gosh.
Cohen with speed to
This
the
dude
house.
is
Touchdown.
this dude fast, bro.
North Carolina A&T. A
Fast, quick,
33-yard
agile, all that.
Keys and Monday. Cohen on the cutback.
Get off of me.
Cohen
Get off of me.
barrels his way
Ah.
inside the 30, down to the 27-yard line. He got Gerard. That's
Get off
about
me.
the toughest 6-yard run you're ever going to see.
All right, and
First down drive can take the lead here. Play action. Carter on that misdirect
Dang, good
throw.
catch.
What a terrific grab by Cohen.
Okay.
They ran misdirection.
This dude do not go down easy.
Started to influence
He fighting for every yard.
10 as we're under a minute left in the third. Carter came underneath. Guess who?
Off me.
Tarik Cohen made the grab. Ran away from the would-be tackle of Kent State's Wantez McCray, and he's got a first down, 19-yard hookup.
and that's part of his drive.
Only 3 of 11 on third downs. Mamiro needs a big
Oh,
one
my.
here. He's got Cohen. with
How'd that
another
dude
flag
fall?
down. Cohen's outside the numbers, inside the 15.
Dang.
Yankees.
That should have been a flag.
Olawafemi Bamiro. And this is Tarik
Oh,
Cohen.
my
He's got
gosh.
returned, and look out.
How do he be? Alright, man. That's it. That dude nice. That dude nice. For real, for real, for real, for real, for real, man. That's it for this video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you want more. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all leave them comments below. And I'm out till next time, man. Peace.